SharePoint now generates interactive web applications directly from your raw spreadsheets and text lists. You can build these tools without writing HTML, JavaScript, or CSS. The AI handles the code generation and execution on the fly, requiring no external developer support. To follow this process, you need two things: an active Microsoft 365 Copilot license and SharePoint administrator privileges to configure the initial tenant settings. Removing the coding requirement allows any team member to build a functional business tool the moment a need arises. Step 1 is configuring the backend. In the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, open the Copilot menu and click on the Data Access page. Here you must check the box to allow AI providers operating as Microsoft subprocessors. This enables Anthropic. If your tenant is based in the European Union or the UK, this is disabled by default, so you have to manually opt in. If you skip this step, SharePoint relies on a fallback reasoning model. This limits the multi-step planning required to generate complex code and interactive apps. Next, move to your local machine. Open a PowerShell terminal in administrative mode and run Connect SPO service to link your terminal with your SharePoint Admin Center. To deploy these AI capabilities across your entire organization, use the Set SPO Tenant command, passing the Knowledge Agent Scope parameter with the value All Sites. If you receive a parameter error, your system likely has conflicting SharePoint admin modules. To clear this, run Get Module to list installed versions, then use Uninstall Module to remove them. Once clean, install the latest module and run Setup again. Finish the setup by pulling the tenant status to confirm your configuration. The scope should now show as successfully updated to all sites. With the subprocessor approved and the tenant opted in via PowerShell, the back-end plumbing is resolved. These generation tools are now active for your users. You'll start building with this plain Excel spreadsheet. It contains standard, unformatted employee rows, names, IDs, locations, and roles. Before generating the app, we need to set our design rules. SharePoint uses a feature called Skills, which allows the AI to learn and consistently apply specific visual and structural templates. Inside the AI interface, select your corporate color palette and layout preferences, then save it as a new skill profile. Building a custom skill eliminates the need to repeat design instructions. You assign the branding once, and the AI applies it to every subsequent report or app you generate. Now we generate the app. Issue a plain English prompt asking the AI to build an organizational chart based directly on the provided Excel file. The system reads the flat data columns, determines the hierarchy, and writes the code to build a visual tree in seconds. This is a live interface. You can type a name into the search bar, filter results, and click individual management nodes to view specific teams. This isn't a static image. It is a functional HTML application executing natively inside your SharePoint site. Next, prompt the AI to inventory the site and build a site usage report. To test our branding, we will explicitly instruct the AI to apply the brand skill we created earlier. The new report compiles and automatically adopts the exact color palette and typography defined by our custom profile. By combining simple text prompts, raw data, and a predefined skill, any user can deploy highly customized functional web modules on demand. This split screen shows the results. We started with a drab grid of spreadsheet data and produced a themed interactive data dashboard. This entire process bypasses manual coding, complex JavaScript frameworks, and IT department bottlenecks. You can apply this workflow to your team's immediate needs, such as pointing the AI at project files to build live timelines, or using product lists to create pricing pages. You can find the exact PowerShell commands used in this tutorial in the video description. Subscribe for more direct guides on Microsoft 365 tools. These AI capabilities allow you to use SharePoint as an on-demand application engine, generating the tools you need exactly when you need them.